is not required to drive, to move, or to get this car started, we do not want it. Everything, and I mean everything, has to go.
Okay, so this is my 2009 Holden Commodore Omega. I originally picked it up off my cousin for 500 bucks as a parts car for my wife's vehicle. So we've already pillaged everything off it that we need, and now it's time to have some fun with it. So, much like the Mazda 6 and the last time we came up to the abandoned speedway track, we are going on a weight reduction program. Except this time, not only are we taking everything out of the inside, but we're taking everything off the outside. So fenders are off, bonnets off, boots off, doors are off, everything's off, including the roof. Yep, we are pulling a grinder through the roof, we're taking that off to save as much weight as possible. So, without further ado, let's get a baseline done, and let's see how fast this thing even goes. Alright, so now let's actually take this thing around the track and see what kind of time we get. So, the first thing we gotta do is keep our door shut with our seatbelt because there's no door lock. So we rope that through the frame of the door, give us enough lead, and I'm talking back myself in. I'm not going to do that actually, I want to get out quickly. Not that I can get out quick because there's a seatbelt through the door. Right, let's go for a baseline, a lap, and see how fast or slow this thing actually is around this track. So this track's a bit of a boot shut. This track's a bit of an interesting one. The first corner is really tight, which makes it hard to set up to get into the second corner, which is really open and sweeping. The track's a fairly short one, it's only about just under 500 meters long in total, but it's plenty of fun to drive. So, a little bit of a sighting lap, now let's get into it and see how this car handles. Down the second, put the foot in it, away we go. Right, coming down the home straight, left foot brake into the first corner, which is a tricky one. Oh, and the ABS is giving us grief. The ABS is just locking up the front wheels and causing us to sledge and understeer. Come on! No, I want to oversteer, not understeer. What are you doing? A rear-wheel drive car. Right, left foot brake. Nope! Oh my gosh. This car is just diving hard into the corners, and instead of oversteering, we're understeering, which is a real pain. And the brake pressure it's applying is very inconsistent, so we can't get a smooth line. Come on. Oh, hang on. I think I know why. Let's just pull up for a second. And let's actually turn the traction control off. There we go. Pull into sports mode. Let's give it another go, shall we? Yeah, there we go. Now we're sliding over here. That's much better. Right, here we go. Come around the third corner. Oh, now we're swinging it out a lot better. Oh, a little too much. Fourth corner, into the home straight. Get close to the wall. Left foot brake into the first corner. Dip it in hard. Acceleration. Oh, and the ABS is kicking in again. The ABS is not happy at all. Old nanny state's coming to play. Woo! Third corner, left foot brake, accelerate. And we're into the marbles. Alright, we need to get rid of that ABS, otherwise we are not going to get a consistent time, or a very good one at that. So, let's see if we can pull the fuse and see what happens. Okay, now I should actually turn the car off before I do this, before I play with anything electrical, but the car's got starting issues and I can't be bothered jump starting it again. So, oh, which one is it? You want, yep, ABS motor and ABS fuse. So, my tool doesn't fit. Okay, let's try this. Got a bit of junk off the ground because I forgot to bring any of my tools. Yep, there it goes. It's gone forever. And we'll pop this one for the solenoid. Maybe. Yep, come on. A little bit further. There we go. Okay. See ya. See ya. Let's try that again, shall we?
See, this car throws a real hissy fit now.
Okay, so we've pulled the fuses out for the ABS module. I now have a big ABS warning on the dash, so we push the button and that gets rid of that. So, traction controls off, sport shift into second, and let's see if this car wants to nanny state us and make us understeer. Because we want oversteer. Oversteer is way more fun. Alright, into the first corner, taking it easy for the first lap. Yep, that wants to slide a lot better. It's not pulling up the front end as much as it was before. Let's just try the brakes real heavy. Yes, we still have power brakes and they work. We don't want to find that out at the wrong time. Oh yeah, this feels way better now. I've got way more control over the car. We don't have the computers trying to interfere as much anymore. Oh, and it slides beautifully now. A little bit of fishtail coming out of the second corner. Onto the back straight, line us up for the third. Left foot brake in. Kick out the rear. Man, this thing slides really well for an open diff. Oh, going the fourth corner a bit far. Hit the wall. Brake into the first corner again. And we're away. Alright, I'm happy with that. I'm actually catching my own dust now we're going that fast, which is great. The quickest I've been on this track is 24.2 seconds. That was in Stalin, which was a pig to drive. This car is way smoother. So, let's line up at the start line and do an actual time lapse, see what the baseline is. Alright, second gear, traction control off, sport shift on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Wheel spin. Here we go, sighting lap, not that fast, get a feel for the car. Okay, here we go, we're coming up to the start finish line, rolling lap. Going wide, braking into the first corner, a little too much speed loss. Accelerate through the sharp bends, open it up for the wide sweeping second corner. Line up the back straight, beautiful. Here we go, through my own dust, which is fantastic. If we can catch the dust, we can catch the time. Into the third corner, nice and wide, too far into the marbles, way too far into the marbles. He's lost it, still got control, coming around, third and final lap. Oh, my voice is getting solid, it's too exciting! Into the first corner, sledging hard, not enough acceleration, what's going on? Crap, I've stuffed up my own chance here. Come on, onto the back straight, hammer down into the third corner, brake, swing, get the rear end sliding out, into the marble again, he's pushing too hard! Oh no! Fourth corner, coming along the front straight now, and across the line. Well, stuffed up a few corners there, but not too bad all in all. Alright, let's head back to the start finish line and see what the verdict is. What was the best time? 25.05. Alright, so we're slower than Stalin, but plenty of time there to make up because we hit the marbles pretty hard on both those runs. So now, let's get the boys around. Let's get some hacksaws and grinders out. Let's take a roof off, let's take some panels off, see how much weight we can save, and then we should go a hell of a lot faster.
So, it's a beautiful new day. We have a bit of cloud cover at the moment and horrible wind because today is the day that a massive cyclone is making its way down the west coast of Australia, all the way from the actual coast itself, 1,000 kilometers inland towards us. So, there's going to be a bit of wind noise today, sorry, but today's the only day we have to pull this thing completely apart. So, if it is not required to drive, to move, or to get this car started, we do not want it. Everything, and I mean everything, has to go. So, no further delay, let's get straight into it. Alright, so we've got the whole crew here working on this. They've already pulled the rear boot off, bumper. One door's just been grinded off. That's gone. We'll get a couple more off soon. Front fenders are off. Oh, you guys doing it like the proper way, are you?
It's not strong enough.
We've already got that one off.
Take it to the service later.
Oh, is it up to date?
We've got warranty. There we go.
Hey, there we go. Now we're starting to get somewhere. It's looking good now.
Oh, Kev. Oh, Kev. Oh, wow. Kev smashed the door. Right here. Nobody likes to right here.
What's that, about 30 kg or so?
I don't know. It's heavy.
Look out, Jake, we're going backwards.
Should we see it?
There we go.
Before we go further?
Just the world's first convertible Commodore.
Should we see if it starts?
Well, that's a good idea, eh?
Victory burnout. I'll put the battery back on.
Okay. I'm glad we disconnected it real early. See, I'm not worried about the roof stopping the car from starting. What the hell have you done in here?
Nothing. Over the radiator.
It's like a kidder.
Over the radiator. Check that out. Check that out. Got me fully sick out here.
Fully sick, bro, you? I got a camera in there too, mate. You just can't hear it.
Oh, yeah.
What happened to the
No,
call?
it says brake lights on.
It was unnecessary.
Ability off. Should we cut the screen out?
I think we did.
And it's saying it's a year 2000. No, we've traveled back in time. Yeah, well I am. So
Shit, that must feel light.
it.
It feels so breezy. Going back to your chop shop days.
Do you want a sway bar at the back? Can I chop the sway bar off? Surely we can use one of the rubber molds from the door seal or something.
What are you doing?
Make you safe, man. Your head will split open. I mean, it's already open.
Alright, so here is the final product of our work. I think it looks amazing as a convertible. I don't know why Holden didn't do it themselves. I mean, 4-door convertible, it's pretty unique. Oh, Dave, you want to hit the accelerator?
Yeah, man.
Give it some. So, alright, let's take it to the track and give it a good thrashing. See what happens when you lend your car to your mates? They go and bloody rip your tyres apart. Oh, that tyre's still holding up for now. Oh no, hang on, we got some oil. You've broken something good here.
Oh yes, the fence! The atmospheric fence!
No, that's okay. That's alright. Yeah.
How's the temperature gauge? Oh no, it's oil on the exhaust. Keep going, keep going!
So I just want to say thanks again to everyone for lending a hand. That was awesome, got done so much quicker and it was so much fun doing it with you guys, so thank you very much. I'll probably keep the car actually, it drives pretty well. It's a hoot to drive, it's so much lighter, so much faster. We'll might look at doing a few little upgrades to it, maybe put a cage on it properly. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this, and as much as we did, it was good fun. So we'll catch you on the next episode guys, see you later.